Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the solved problem based on the Karnaugh map, K-map. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. Reduce the following function to its minimum sum of product form. We need to reduce the function using the Karnaugh map. The given function is y equal to a bar b bar c bar d plus a bar b c bar d plus a bar b c d plus a b c bar d bar plus a b c bar d plus a b c d plus a b bar c d. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms are available. There are 4 variables available, a, b, c, d. We need to plot the 4 variable K-map. There are 4 variables are available. Right. Now we'll go to the 4 variable K-map. So there are 4 variables a, b, c, d. A, b is available in the vertical manner. C, d is available in the horizontal manner. Right. So the a, b two variables are having 4 combinations, a bar, b bar, a bar, b, a, b, a, b bar. Similarly, c, d is the 2 variable having 4 combination, c bar, d bar, c bar, d, c, d, c, d bar. There is nothing but 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now we can plot we have to mark the 1 for the given terms. The terms not available is marked as 0. For example, this first cell is nothing but a bar, b bar, c bar, d bar. Second cell is a bar, b bar, then c, d bar. So this is the cell forming. Now we'll plot these given 7 terms into the K-map. First we'll see the a bar, b bar, c, d. Right. First we'll see where is a bar, b bar. This is a bar, b bar. Then c, d bar. This is c, d bar. So a, b bar, c, d bar. This is the term 1. So first term. A, b bar, c, d bar. The second term is a bar, b, c bar, d. First we will see where is a bar, b. So a bar, b. A bar, b is available. Then where is c bar, d? C bar, d. So this c bar, d. This c bar, d is available. Right. So a bar, b, c bar, d. So this is the second term. Then third term, a bar, b, c, d. Where is a bar, b? This is a bar, b. Where is c, d? This is c, d. This term is c, d. A bar, b, c, d. The third term. Marked as 1. Fourth term, a, b, c bar, d bar. Where is a, b? A, b available here. Where is c bar, d bar? This is c bar, d bar. So a, b, c bar, d bar. Right. So this is the fourth term. Right. Then fifth term is a, b, c bar, d bar. A, b. Where is a, b? I see this a, b. This is a, b. C bar, d. Where is c bar, d? This is c bar, d. Right. So a, b, c bar, d. So this is the fifth term available. A, b, c bar, d. Then sixth term is a, b, c, d. First we will identify where is a, b. So this is a, b. A, b available. Where is c, d? It is available here. C, d is available here. So a, b, c, d. So this is the sixth term available. It's marked as 1. Then seventh term is a, b bar, c, d. Where is a, b bar? This is a, b bar. Where is c, d? C, d is available here. Right. So a, b bar, c, d. This is the seventh term. Is marked as 1. Right. So from the given function there are 7 terms available, or 7 terms are marked in the K-map. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. These terms are marked. So the one more term is available. A, b, a bar, b, c, d bar. Right. First we will see where is a bar, b. This is a bar, b. Right. This one is c, d bar. So this is the 8th term, not a 7th term. There are 8 terms available. Right. A bar, b, c, d bar. Now all 8 terms are marked. Now we need to go for grouping the cell in order to get the simplified expression. See this, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terms are available. First we will try to go for 8, any 8 possible cells are available, then 4 possible cell, 2 possible cell and 1, right. There is no possibility of grouping 8 cells, right. Then we'll go for grouping of 4 cells. So these 4 can be grouped together, 1, 2, 3, 4. At the center we can group these 4 cells. But if we group these 4 cells, we cannot group this. This cell will be alone, right. So it is better to group 2 cells, right. If we group this 4 cell at the center, again we need to group these 2 cells, these 2 cells and these 2 and these 2, because this is this one having only combination with this one having only combination with this, right. So no need to group 4 cells at the center. That become the one more additional term. Irrespective of that, we can group these 2 cells, these 2 cells, these 2 cells and these 2 cells, right. So that all 8 cells will be covered, right. Grouping of 4 cells at the center not needed, right. So now we have 4 groups are available. We will see the terms one by one, right. First consider these 2 first group, right. So we have to refer these 2 cells in a horizontal manner and this cell in the vertical manner. What is available in the horizontal? A bar, B bar, A bar, B, right. So these 2 cells are grouped, we have to refer these 2 cells. So B bar B got cancelled, only we have A bar. And what is available here? C bar D. So the finally A bar, C bar, D. So this is the first term, A bar, C bar, D, right. Okay. Then we will go to the second group. This one we will consider this. So what is available here? This side A bar B, there is no cancelling. So this is A bar B. What is available? These 2 cells CD, CD bar, right. CD, CD bar. So the D, D bar got cancelled. Only we have C. So here what we have? A bar B, here we C. So A bar B, C. That is the grouping of these 2 cells, right. Okay. Then we'll go to the third group, this one. So this one mean what is available here? AB. So this AB is there. What is available vertically? C bar D bar, C bar D. So this D, D bar got cancelled. Only we have C bar, right. So AB, C bar, AB, C bar. That is the third grouping, right. Now we'll consider this fourth one. So we have to refer these 2 cells, corresponding these 2 cells. What is available here? AB, AB bar. So this B, B bar got cancelled. Only we have A. What is available here? CD. So A, C, D. That is the fourth term, fourth group, right. Now all 4 groups are simplified and we got the final expression. By adding these 4, we got the final expression, right. A bar, C bar D plus A bar BC plus ABC bar plus ACD, right. So the given term is plotted in the K map and marked as 1, then grouped. There are 4 groups are available, 4 groups with the 2 cells. Then we got the final value. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.